Hi, welcome to Jeff's Soapbox. I'm going to be talking over the course of the next couple of minutes about things that are going to contradict what you're reading on the internet. Almost every shop has data which is set up something like this. You have a primary key. The primary key has a unique clustered index on it, and that is theoretically how you generally access the data. But in practice, the clustered index determines how the data is stored on the page. What that means is you're sorting by the index. Now, do you really need to sort by a contrived key? Probably not, because you're generally not asking for, oh, give me the customer records numbered 50 through 500. You're generally asking for customer records by name. You're generally asking for customer records by invoice. What you need to do is re-examine your premises. For example, if you're going to be joining from an invoice table to an invoice detail table, when you're joining to the invoice detail table, you really don't care about the invoice detail number. What you really care about is the invoice number. So clustering instead on the invoice number in the invoice detail table gets you your information dramatically faster, especially as the number of detail rows increases. I have reduced performance time from days to seconds with this one trick. Give it a shot.